Alrighty, what's going on, guys? I just wanted to put up a quick video to show you where I'm doing all my gaming, which is on my PC. So here's my baby, and I'll be giving you guys a little bit more detail on all the different parts. So let's get cracking. Let's start with the case. My case is Corsair Carbide. It's a windowed ATX mid-tower, black. Pretty simple. Headphones, mouse, and keyboard are all Razer. I have a Deathstalker keyboard, Death Adder mouse, and the Kraken headphones. Um, on my motherboard, well, the motherboard itself first, I guess, is Asus M5A97 AM3 Plus. I have two 8 gig sticks of RAM and a AMD FX 6300 processor. Down below, I have my video card, which is a GeForce GTX 960 EVGA, 4 gig FTW, and it is awesome. Really doing the job well. Underneath that is my power supply, Corsair CX 600 watt. Pretty simple. My hard drive is just a standard hard drive, 1 terabyte, 3.5, 7200, blah, blah, blah. I'm going to get a solid state drive in the future, but for now, I can't afford it. But the monitor, Asus 21.5, it's a 1 millisecond, which is pretty awesome. I do have an optical drive, Asus, pretty standard, blah, blah, blah. And to top it all off, everything's running with Windows 10. That's pretty much all you need to know. Thanks.